Welcome friends, I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising Actia racemosa and this is part 2b. It consists of mnemonic. The key word for mnemonic here is Actia racemosa. Here A stands for abortion, which is very peculiar about third month in case of Actia racemosa. C stands for ciliary neuralgia. T stands for talkativeness, which reminds us about mania. E tells us about epilepsy, and A stands for across pelvic pain. R stands for rheumatism. A stands for agoraphobia. C reminds us cloud-like sensation, and E stands for electric-like pains. M for mouse illusion, and O for opening shutting sensation. S for sadness or melancholia, A for angina pectoris. So let us have a recall from this particular keyword Actia spicat, Actia racemosa, how we'll remind the important features of this remedy. A stands for abortion, and we find in this remedy tendency to abort in third month. C for ciliary neuralgia, and it is a very sharp aching or sharp darting shooting pain in globe which extends to temples, vertex, occiput and orbit. This is currently known as cluster headache. T for talkativeness, and there is a incessant talking during the maniac phase of this remedy, and the subject changing from one subject to another is classical feature. E for epilepsy, there are spasms which can be hysterical or epileptic, and they are excited from, or you can say reflex from, uterine diseases, worse during menses, chorea aggravated left side. Aura was a waving sensation in the brain. A stands for across pelvic pain, and pain are across pelvis from hip to hip. Rheumatism, R is for rheumatism, and rheumatic pains in muscles of neck and back, feel stiff, lame, contracted. Rheumatism affecting the bellies of muscles, pains, stitching and cramping. Excessive muscular soreness after dancing, skating, or other violent muscular exertion. A stands for agoraphobia, and patient fears riding in a closed carriage or being obliged to jump out. C stands for cloud sensation, and sensation as if a heavy black cloud has settled over her head, which has enveloped her head so that all is darkness and confusion. E for electric shock like pains, and we have sharp, lancinating, electric like pains in various parts. M stands for mouse illusion. There is a illusion of mouse running under her chair. O stands for opening and shutting clavaria. There is a sensation as if opening and shutting sensation in brain. Brain feels too large. S for sadness. There is a great depression with dream of impending evil. Now, last is A for angina pectoris, heart's action, seizes suddenly, impending suffocation, palpitation from least motion. So, this particular symptom is only present in two drugs, Actia racemosa and digitalis. Severe left-sided inframemory pain is classical in this particular remedy. So thank you very much for patient listening.